So what we decided to do was we just received our water purifier. It's a fountain deal that we put on with our sink, on our sink, to make sure that we purify the water, and we connect it underneath. So we just received it. My wife bought it from Amazon, and I don't even, okay, so this one is under counter water filter, okay, Auquasana AQ 5300 drinking water system. It's a 3-stage under counter system. So my job is to put it together. Let's unbox this and see what we have. All right, so we just picked this one out, and then we have some connectors here for the water hose, for the hose. Oh, what do we have here? Ah, the faucet. Beautiful. Something else in here. Washers. Okay. The faucet, washers for the connectors. Beautiful faucet. That's gorgeous. All right. And then we have the hose for underneath. Well, I can't wait to get this thing together. Woo-hoo! It's gonna be nice. All right, nothing in here. I'm gonna put that to the side there. Then we have 3 different filters that's gonna go in here. 3 different filters. You got filter A, B, and pre-filter. So you got a pre-filter, and then you got an A filter, and then you have a B filter. So what do you, well, they're just different colors, and they don't really tell me. And you can actually see this A filter. I guess it filters halfway because it has the green halfway through the circle. And then you have this cleans it, clear filter. And then you have this one, I don't know what, I guess it's fully clean when it gets to B. And then we have, finally, the connector here, the housing for the filters. Seems pretty simple. Couple of pieces. And make sure there's nothing else in the box. All right. Put the box back together here. All right. Put the box off to the side. So me being the man that I am normally, what I do is I will start putting it together before reading directions. It's always good to read your directions and know what you're actually doing. So I'm going to briefly go through all the directions here, just kind of glance it over, and then kind of prepare underneath the sink for housing this, which is the connector, the in and out. Okay, and then from there I will I'll get back to you and let you know how it goes. This is underneath my sink, so we have to make space for this filter. So I'm going to be taking all that out, cleaning it all up, and see where I'm going to put this filter. All right. right here will probably work. Do what? You don't think you should do it in the order that has instructions in the book? And what's that? You're supposed to do that little gold key thing. I don't know you knew. The little gold key thing? The gold tree goes on first, then bottles, and then... I'm kind of like just trying to put together, and then I'm going to take it off. Oh. I just want